Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to access your Hostinger VPS in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this guide will make the process simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to hostinger.com. This is the starting point for managing your account and services. Next, click on the login button at the top right of the page. Enter your account email and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger H panel. This is your main control center for all hosting services. From the H panel dashboard, look for the VPS tab. It's clearly labeled and usually located in your main navigation menu. Click on it to continue. Inside the VPS section, click on Setup. This begins the configuration process for your virtual private server. Here, you'll be asked to select your server's operating system and set up server credentials. Follow the prompts carefully, as these choices will impact how your VPS performs. Once your VPS is configured, Hostinger will complete the setup and provide you with login details. These credentials allow you to connect securely to your VPS. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Hostinger VPS. From here, you're ready to install apps, host websites, or run projects with full control over your server. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Happy hosting!